How to change Facebook group name. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick short tutorial video. In this video we are going to learn how you can change your Facebook group name. It's a very easy and simple process. To learn it, you have to watch this video till the very end. So first of all you got to do, you have to open up your Facebook app. So here you go, and after that tap on this profile picture at the upper right side, and after that scroll down a little bit, and here you'll get groups. Tap on here groups, and then tap on your groups at the upper left side, and now scroll down a little bit, and here you'll get groups you manage section. Under the groups you manage section you will get all your groups. Then choose the group, then tap on it, and after that here you'll get manage. Next to invite, tap on here, and now at the upper right side you will get a gear icon. Tap on it, and then here you'll get name and description. Tap on it, and then tap on group name. Now delete it and type your new name here, and after that at the top you will get save. Tap on save, and as you can see that my group name has been changed. So following this simple process you can also change your group name. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.